afternoon, folks. This is a quick unboxing of a new magazine for the FX Impact M3. I've been dealing with one magazine now for quite a while, so I thought I'd buy a new magazine, but I wanted to try out the Stud Loading Solutions one because it looks interesting with its alignment system on the FX Power Block over there. So anyway, I thought I'd order one of these online, and it's come in a couple of days. So it's just a quick unboxing, although I think when my other half saw a box shop that's black and it says Stud on the front, I'm thinking she's wondering what I've actually ordered. But turns out to be a magazine. Sorry, hon. Anyway, there's cool stuff inside according to the box. So what you get is some wrapping. Sorry, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't do this for a living. Ooh, you get some gold bears, some gummy bears. That's pretty cool. Eat those later. You get a cool sticker. Stud, get loaded. Hopefully you know what that means. And the magazine itself. There we go. So the magazine's got some loading instructions on there. Inspect the distance the barrel enters the breech. Adjust your barrel position so that a maximum of 1.5 millimeters, 0.060 inches into the breech. So you're not going to foul the magazine while it's actually in the loading system of the in the breech of the FX there. So that is a Stud FX Impact M3, M2, or whatever a mark it would correctly fit. So made in the USA. We'll give it a tabletop another day. I've got to get dinner. In fact, I'm going to eat these gummy bears before I have dinner. So we're going to do a quick comparison to this original FX Impact magazine, which I found good. The only thing I don't really like about it is the pellets rattle in there a lot. So if you're in the field walking around, you hear as the pellets rattle, especially if you're climbing over stuff. And this is, this really isn't set up for competition right now. So it's just backyard use. So we just shoot targets in the yard. So, but you hear the rattling of the pellets, unfortunately, a lot with this magazine. And I don't know about you lot that own these, but I find that rather annoying. A buddy of mine has a Rotec, a Walther Rotec, and it's got the rubber band that goes around the center of the magazine, and it keeps the pellets in tight, but it also stops them rattling around. So it's significantly quieter than this kind of style. Yeah, I've got more pellets, but more pellets means more rattle. So we're going to give the Stud magazine a go, and we'll keep you guys posted. Over and out for now.